Good day. In this video, we will show you how to create a project for website analysis and auditing, as well as how to launch the audit itself. To do this, you need to add a project. Here you will enter the domain and the name of your project, then click Continue. You can also use a special checkbox for auditing. Your project will appear in this format. Next, click Start Site Audit, and a settings window will appear. Here you can specify additional settings, such as the number of pages to scan. I want to note that even if you indicate more pages than your site actually has, the service will still work with the number of pages it manages to scan. You can also set the scanning speed, either automatically or manually, based on what works best for you. Typically, the audit doesn't take long. You can choose to scan the entire site or specify a particular list of pages or a sitemap. Additionally, you can choose whether or not to check images. If your site is protected, you can also provide a login and password. There's also a report setting option where you can schedule how often you'd like the scans to occur. If you're gradually fixing errors, selecting manual mode is better. However, if you're continuously working on audits, you can set a schedule. After clicking Start Site Audit, the scan will begin, and you can continue with other tasks as the audit runs in the background. Once the scan is complete, you can view the results in the audit section. There, you will see how optimized your site is and how many errors have been fixed. The more issues you resolve, the higher your audit score will be. The report will also show the dates of each audit, the number of errors before and after, and detailed information about each error. You can filter through errors by priority, high, medium, low, informational, and address them in that order. For example, if there are 5 high priority errors and about 1,000 medium priority ones, you can start by fixing the critical issues. Clicking on a specific error will provide you with detailed descriptions and recommendations on how to fix it. For instance, if there are missing meta descriptions on certain pages, the report will tell you which pages are affected, and you can fix those. If you've made changes to just one page, you can audit that single page without having to rescan the entire site. This way, you can save time and credits. Simply go to the page audit, enter the URL, and start the analysis. You'll see a detailed breakdown of any issues specific to that page, along with recommendations for fixing them. That covers everything we wanted to share about the site audit process. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to support team or your account manager directly.